Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something for repairing your water line. But before we get into that, just like to remind you, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's a great chance. Just click down on that subscribe button, click it again, and then click all on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos I'm producing for you. All right, so fixing a water line, whether it's out in a ditch, under the house, going along the side of the barn or wherever, if the water line cracks for whatever reason, hole gets in it, Murphy's Law, water spraying out, there are several products out there you can use to fix it. But probably the most easiest one, if you have a clear shot at the pipe, where you don't have to have any tools other than maybe a pocket knife, is something like the Blue Monster compression tape or one of the other compression tapes. Basically, this stuff here is amazing stuff. You turn off the water, you wrap it, you stretch it, as you put it on, you stretch it out as far as it'll go, and it pulls itself back in and it creates a bond to itself. And so you wrap it around, you work from one side, past the hole to the other side, and back, cut it off, and it's done. And this will last a long time. We've had it where I've used, not Monster, I've used another brand years ago, and it lasted about 8 years before we had to replace it. Not bad for a little quick fix. So this is something you might want to consider putting into your supplies for emergencies. It doesn't have to be the end of the world. It could just be an, oops, the water line cracked, we need to fix it, or the copper pipe sprung a leak, or the galvanized pipe rusted through. This is something you can repair it with quick. Give yourself some time to go in there and do the job right if you need to. All right? Okay, so I'm going to leave a couple links up and around here for different things. My other channel, Camp Hatton Family Compound, which has gardening, homesteading, some other cool things on it. I'm going to put a link to the Prepping for Beginners and the Prepping in Private video series is there. That way you can share those with friends, neighbors, co-workers, relatives, so they can get prepared so they don't come after your stuff and take your stuff from you and your family.